What's up? This is Chris on the longest way, trying to walk back from China to my home in Germany. Today is October the 2nd, 2018. I was gonna arrive in Sheki yesterday, but I didn't. I came here to this restaurant operated by my main man Fazil. Hello. And I had dinner and it was very good. He's a very good cook. And then he said, dude, man, if you continue walking at night, that's gonna be very tiring and dangerous with the traffic, so why don't you stay here? So he gave me a little room back there, and now we're sitting here. He's going over his business finances, and I'm having some tea. Salam. Somebody just came in. Salam. And there's all these nice people everywhere. And all that good tea. So I got about 14 kilometers left, I guess, to the great old city of Sheki. An hour later, I'm still here. Watched some dudes playing backgammon, and now I'm looking at this stuff here that's being prepared by my friend Fazil, and he said this is a lamb dish. So I think I'm gonna try the lamb dish. I don't know what it is exactly, but it looks really fat, and I like fat. That's one thing that's for sure. I like fatty stuff. So I'm gonna try that. I'm resting here next to this, I don't know, is that an excavator? These are the outskirts of Sheki. That's better, huh? And unfortunately, I don't even know if it's unfortunate or not, but anyway, it's just going up and up and up the road. So I walk for a little while and then I sit down in the shade and I have some water and I have some tea, and then I walk some more, and I have a little bag of those salty peanut M&Ms and I think I'm gonna have that the next time I sit down, or the time after that. I'm looking forward to the inner city, downtown Sheki. This here looks like any place. Man, I'm tired. So I've been doing something rather silly.
Silly.
Yeah, silly.
Yes.
I've been walking around town here around Sheki. Hello, these are my little friends.
My name is Misakshi.
My name is Chris. Nice to meet you.
My name is Aishan.
Nice to meet you, Aishan.
My name is Roshan.
Nice to meet you, Roshan. And yeah, there's the Caravanserai, da? Caravanserai.
Belə, sonra belə, üstə taxta qapı.
Okay, so down there and to the left, but I've already been in there and I came out. And now I'm going down there just to look at more of this nice Sheki. Sheki вот так. Sheki good.
Sheki.
Yeah, Sheki beautiful. Yes. And well, I'm just walking around with a caboose, adding extra kilometers. Huh?
Bunlar nə? Bunlar nə?
I don't understand Azerbaijan. Azerbaycanski
Nerelisin?
English?
English. Hindistan. Bu nə? Bu nə? Təkər. Təkər. Təkərlər. Təkərlər.
This is the extra spare wheel.
Bana veriyor musun?
If there's a problem with this one, I put on this one. Yeah. I like the dudes. I'm gonna give them my M&Ms.
Bu nə? Bu nə? Bunlar nə?
Kushet, palatka, obuv. What? Shall I give them my M&Ms? I think so. Okay. Talk to you guys later. Look at her. This is a nice place for the caboose and for me. I've arrived here in Sheki in this Caravanserai. It used to be a place to park your camels and your stuff when you were a traveling merchant on the Silk Road, and they transformed it into a hotel, which I guess is a good thing as well as a bad thing. Good thing because, well, they preserved it pretty well, and I can stay here. It's not even that expensive. It costs like 25 euros for a room for a night. A bad thing because this way the historical heritage becomes a private building. So like local people, I don't know if they can just come in and look around. Would have been better as a museum, I guess, if you're looking at it from that aspect. But anyway, I'm here. I'm really tired. I'm gonna rest here for 2 or 3 days. I haven't decided yet. Got a little work to do. And I'm gonna try some local vodka. Just try. In moderation. And yeah, I'm really happy to be here. If you guys liked the video, check out the blog. It's called thelongestway.com. It's gonna show you exactly where this is. It's gonna have a ridiculous red line today because I walked around with a caboose and I just counted that in. And or you can show somebody the video, you know, worst enemy you've ever had, show them the video, be like, here, check out this German dude, he's staying in a Caravanserai, he has a big beard. He's sometimes pretty stupid. All right, gotta go, peace.